guys, welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you exactly what I am going to be packing for a trip David and I are actually about to embark on in just a few hours. We're actually heading up to Charleston, South Carolina, which will be so much fun. David's never been there, and I've been there briefly. This is actually going to be a bit of a whirlwind trip. We're taking off today. We're just going to be there for one full day, and then the next day, early in the morning, we're going to fly back home. And this will actually be our very first trip with Gabriel staying home. So I've got mixed emotions. It's going to be amazing, and I know he's going to have a blast here as well. But it's going to be just a little bit of a different trip. David and I are actually going to be shooting some really exciting video content for a teaching platform up there in Charleston. And so I thought it would be fun for me to just share with you exactly what I'm bringing in this tiny travel capsule wardrobe for just basically 2 days away, and it's going to be business and a little bit of fun. David and I are hoping to have some dinner maybe tomorrow night after we're finished shooting, and then we'll just be packing up to come right back home. So I tried to pack as minimally as possible, and I want to take you along. So all I'm going to be bringing with us on this trip for David and me is my black secondhand Hurley backpack, and then also our black carry-on. So we will be super light with just 2 pieces of luggage. It's going to be amazing. I can't wait to take you on the ride. If you are brand new to my channel, hello, my name is Katie Marie, and I am married to the love of my life, David. We have our 10-month-old son, Gabriel, and we have officially lived in South Florida for 5 years. I am super passionate to bring you videos all about decluttering the excess in your life so that you can really focus on the things that matter. Decluttering, minimalism, living an intentional life. If any of those things are of interest to you, please make sure you like this video and also subscribe. And when you do, make sure you click that little notification bell, because that will let you know when a new video is uploaded. I bring you a new video every single Wednesday. All right, let's get into this. First, I'm going to be bringing this cropped cami I have on. The second top I'm going to be bringing is this lightweight jacket that is made of silk and cotton. I bought secondhand years and years ago. It has a beautiful ruffle detailing, and I can zip it all the way up and make it a mock neck. It gives me a lot of different options. It has a very dressy vibe, but it also has some edge to it. So I'm going to be actually wearing this for the video shoot and potentially out to dinner tomorrow night. Next up is my long tunic style sweatshirt that is also zip up into a mock neck. I don't really go anywhere without this because I can wear this with leggings or jeans. I can dress it up, dress it down. I bring it with me all over everywhere I go. The last top piece I'm gonna be bringing is this secondhand leather jacket, originally from Gap. It's a very thick, nice, rich leather, and it's gonna keep me warm. I checked the weather, and it's definitely gonna be a little bit cooler than it is in Florida. So this is gonna be perfect. I'm also going to wear this on top of the outfit that I have on in the airport today. We have long flights, and we'll be getting in later on tonight, so I'll be nice and warm. Next up is this gorgeous jumpsuit, originally from Splendid, that my best friend gave me. This is one of my most treasured pieces in my wardrobe. They have elastic legs at the bottom, so it's more of a jogger style, and then it's also gathered with elastic at the waist. This is the most comfortable jumpsuit ever, and I'm going to be wearing this for the video shoot tomorrow. This is a great piece because it's just a one and done. You just put it on and you're ready to go. So if you're ever wanting to pack fewer things in your wardrobe for a quick trip, a jumpsuit or a dress might be just what you're looking for. I also am packing 2 bottom pieces. These are just simple black leggings that I will be wearing a lot of the time. We have a very early plane to catch on our way home, so I'll probably be wearing these leggings. And then also I have my newest piece in my wardrobe. I secondhand thrifted these J. Crew slouchy boyfriend jeans, and they are insanely comfortable. They're slouchy, they're big, they're just perfect. So I'm wearing these on the plane, and I'm definitely bringing them on the trip. So in total, I only have 2 bottoms, 1 pair of jeans, 1 pair of leggings, and then I brought my jumpsuit. And for tops, I have this camisole, I have my lightweight jacket, my zip-up sweatshirt, and my black leather jacket. For accessories, I'm going to be wearing this black and white check scarf on the plane. I'm also bringing my favorite black and white silk scarf that I thrifted about a year ago, originally from Ann Taylor. I'm gonna be wearing this on the video shoot as well. And another accessory I'm bringing is this great secondhand leather purse. This thing is so versatile. I've worn it to the most fancy galas, to movies, and the least dressy thing that you could ever think of. This is great because you can actually detach it so that it's just a clutch, and I love it. It's vintage. I don't usually bring a purse with me when I'm traveling because I like to just go as minimal as possible, but I figured for the events that we're going to be a part of, it would just be handy to have this to grab. And the last accessory I'm gonna be bringing is my black fedora hat. I'm not sure if I'm gonna be wearing this for the video shoot, but I just really wanted to bring it for options. And one of the things that I do to be able to pack as minimally as possible is really leverage accessories in my wardrobe. It's so great because there's so many different things that you can do with a simple scarf. As I've mentioned in previous videos, this silk scarf is actually incredibly long. It's twice as long as this right here. So I can wear it in my hair, I can use it as a belt around my neck, or I can even tie it on my purse for an extra little pop of interest. It gives me a lot more options, so I can actually wear things that are very similar. Since I changed the accessories out, it gives me a whole other look, and I don't feel like I'm wearing the same thing because I'm not. I'm also bringing one sleep mask, one sleep shirt, 2 pairs of no-show socks, 1 black bra, and 2 pairs of underwear. My little makeup bag that holds everything I could ever need. My black toiletry bag. In my toiletry bag, I'm bringing my glasses case that carries my glasses and my contact case. This is a great travel tip. If you wear contacts and glasses, you might try this. So you fill your contact case with saline and then wrap it around your little lens cleaning cloth, put it in with your glasses, and then have it handy with you on the plane. Because if you're anything like me, there's times where I'm flying late at night and I just feel like I want to take my contacts out and I want to wear my glasses. So I can just run into the bathroom on the plane and pop out my contacts, put my glasses on, and I've got everything right here. There's no chance of losing anything. Next up is my electric toothbrush. I also have an itty bitty amount of saline. I'm not really gonna need much, and so I'm bringing this. I'm also bringing my tongue scraper. This is a tiny tub of lotion because I don't really like the ones that hotels have. They often have a lot of additives and ingredients. This is a really great natural moisturizer. And I have this tiny jelly jar that I have put just a little squirt of toothpaste in because when we're traveling with carry-on bags, I don't want to have to deal with trying to check my liquids and gels. So if you ever find a little jar of some kind, you can just squirt a little bit of toothpaste in if you're not taking too long of a trip, or you can always have the travel size toothpaste, but I don't have one of those and I don't buy those, so this works amazing for us. We've actually filled this to last 2 people for over 2 weeks before, and we didn't even have to fill it up all the way, so I have just an itty bitty little amount for this trip. Next is my dry brush. I don't go anywhere without my dry brush. I'm only gonna be using it for 2 mornings, but it feels so incredible and it's such a wonderful way to just do some self-care in the morning. I'm also bringing my peppermint essential oil because I put 1 drop of this along with my toothpaste on my toothbrush every single time. And then this is just a little travel oil, which is actually leaking. Hello. This has argan oil in it and it's a nice little pump bottle, but I think I filled it too full, and so I am apparently moisturizing my entire toiletry bag. I've also got floss packed. David and I both use a water pick, but I just didn't want to deal with traveling with it. We're just gonna use good old-fashioned dental floss. And then I also have my bite guard. And that is everything that I'm bringing in my toiletry bag. I'm also going to be bringing my Converse. I'm going to be wearing them both trips to the airport and just when we're running around. I figured these would be a really comfortable option, and I would normally wear my Tevas, but it's going to be just a little bit chilly. The second pair of footwear I'm going to be bringing are my black Chelsea boots with these fun little metal details on the back. These are the most comfortable boots I have ever found. I can wear these all the time, and I actually considered just bringing these for the trip, but I just wanted to bring my Converse in case, especially because we have some longer flights. For technology, I'm going to be bringing my MacBook, the charger for my MacBook, and the charger for my iPhone. I'm also going to be bringing my Magic Mouse because I'm going to be editing this very video on the plane and as often as I possibly can to make sure that I make the upload on Wednesday. Here is the final product. I've got David's clothes in here as well, and I've got my black fedora hat turned upside down with some of his socks in here. And as you can see, there is a ton of space left in this carry-on, but that doesn't mean we need to pack more. We don't need to pack more. We just go with a partially empty suitcase. It feels amazing. You don't have to cram things, and when you're trying to catch a plane, you're trying to pack up from a trip, it's just a great feeling when you don't have an overpacked suitcase and you can just kind of throw things in there and they don't have to be like Tetris. All right, that is everything we're going to be bringing with us on this short trip to Charleston, South Carolina. I hope it has inspired you to maybe pack a few fewer things and pack some pieces that are a bit more versatile and allow you to kind of stretch your wardrobe so that you don't have to bring quite as much luggage with you as you go about your journey. I promise you it is so much less stressful traveling with fewer items. I would love for you to share your travel tips in the comments. I'd love to hear maybe what some of your favorite pieces are that you find yourself bringing over and over again. If you like this video, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up and make sure that you consider subscribing and click that little notification bell. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.